And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also.
You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are ideas to enjoy your stay.
Its review rating is 9.6,
Which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel so you can see on the screen.
all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in.
The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is superb. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. The quality of room is available at charges to stay.
Several dates and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies.
If you are planning to book it,
You can do so through the link provided in the description.
if you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel and not subscribed to our channel, then you must subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video of our upcoming hotel.
Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends will meet again in a new video with a new property. Stay happy.